Welcome to Web Traffic Excellence, the comprehensive course designed to empower you with the knowledge and strategies needed to drive quality traffic to your website and enhance your online presence. In today's digital age, the success of any online venture relies heavily on the ability to attract visitors and engage with audiences effectively. This course is your roadmap to mastering the art of web traffic generation and optimizing your online visibility for sustainable growth and success. Explore proven techniques in SEO, content marketing, social media, and more as we delve into the intricacies of driving targeted traffic to your website. Whether you're a business owner seeking to boost your online presence, a digital marketer looking to sharpen your skills, or an aspiring entrepreneur aiming to grow your online brand, this course will equip you with the tools and insights to excel in the competitive online landscape. Join us on a transformative journey of discovery and empowerment as we unravel the secrets to web traffic excellence, harness the power of digital marketing, and pave the way for increased visibility and engagement. Prepare to unlock the keys to driving quality traffic, optimizing conversions, and achieving your online objectives with the Web Traffic Excellence course. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and propel your online success to new heights.